Welcome to TinkerCad Basics, and we're going to get started on our project. We're going to be making a keychain. We've already made a base. If you aren't with us, you can go back to another tutorial and learn about how to make the base. But now we're going to make the hole that we're going to be putting our letters in within our keychain. So what I want to do is you're going to learn something new here with this work plane. Up here on the right hand side it says work plane. If you click and drag it on top of something, and see, you can go to the side, you can go here, you can go over here. What it does is when you drag on an object, it will go to this plane, not the bottom plane. So right now this is the plane that if I drag something onto, it would go to. But if I take this work plane, pull it onto there, click and drag it, now when I pull in my box, it's going to go right on top of the object that I want. Perfect. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make a cutout, and you'll see what I mean once we do it. We need to make this box a little bit different than the last box because it's going to own a border around the outside of this. So I want to actually make its length here. So I click this little thing there, the little white box, and I want to change this to 66. Why 66? Because I want to have, our original was 70. So I kind of want to have a little bit of an extra lip on each side of 2 millimeters. So I'll have a 2 millimeter here, and then also a 2 millimeter over here. I want to do the same on the other side too. Since this one was 20 going across, I'm going to make this one 16. Perfect. So now I have two boxes. The height doesn't really matter, and you'll see why in a second. So what I want to do is I want to align this top box with this box right here. So what I need to do is I need to click and drag both objects, and then come up here and I want to press this little align button. What that does is it brings up all these boxes, and you can press different boxes to be able to see, and it will give you a little preview of what that actually will look like. So I want to have it centered this way, and I can't really center it on the whole object because I grouped this. If you see, you'll see why if I did that. See, the box would actually come over to there. I don't want to do that. So I kind of just have to eyeball the ends to be able to see that, yep, that looks about right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this box, and actually I need to click on the side here and unselect it so it's not aligned anymore. So select the box, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to this little black cone. And what that does is it will change its z-axis. And on the bottom right now I'm taking it down 2 because my total length here was 4. So I wanted to come down halfway through. And you can kind of see, if I pull this work plane, just go here, I can now see that my box extends into my other box. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this guy right here, I'm going to make it a hole. So I come up on the right hand side and make that a hole. It will become transparent. Now, I select everything and then press the group, and what that will do is it will make a hole in my keychain where I'm going to end up placing some letters and that kind of stuff. So that's it for this assignment. So your assignment is to make a hole inside of here and leave yourself a border. That's it. Thanks.